Hello! Welcome to your science lesson today. Right now we're talking about energy. It's the first thing we start off with in fourth grade, and it's going to lead us to talk about energy and heat, energy and light, sound energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. Throughout this whole trimester, we're talking about energy. Well, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Let me put a scenario in your head for you. Have you ever gone to a carnival and you ate way too much sugar and you're really hyper? Maybe your parents said, "Whoa, you have a lot of energy right now." Or maybe the exact opposite, where you're sick and you're laying in bed and you're just exhausted. You might say, "I have no energy right now." Well, that kind of explains the two types of energy that we're going to talk about. Again, energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Mostly everything we know of has energy inside it, even a hot dog. Okay, potential energy. Potential energy is when I'm talking about when you're laying in bed and you're so exhausted and you're not moving. You actually have the potential to have energy. There's energy stored inside you, but you're not actually doing anything at the moment. That's potential energy. Another example of potential energy is a parked car. A car has the potential to move. We have to turn it on and the car will start moving. But if it's parked, the energy is stored. Potential energy is stored energy that could do work. Okay, well, then we have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy does move. It's the energy that does work. So when you're really hyper, you're moving around. When the car is moving and it's going really fast, kinetic is just a fancy word for saying that that energy is doing work and it's moving. This worksheet is really cool because it defines really well what energy is, and I know some of us aren't big fans of worksheets. But hopefully right up here, this portion up here, gave you a good glimpse of what energy is, the ability to do work, and that there's two types of energy. There's potential and there's kinetic. Now, I don't want you to worry too much about the different forms that potential energy could take form in or kinetic energy can take form in, but I do want you to brainstorm. I just want you to think about all the energy that you encounter in your everyday life. I want you to see if you can fill out at least one in each column, or maybe there's a couple. I'll give you an example. Sound energy. In my everyday life, I listen to music. Music is a type of energy. I'm listening to the sounds, it's playing music. Music is doing work. I can hear it. I'm going to put music down here. We mentioned cars. We can put that under mechanical. Cars have a lot of energy. Brainstorm cars. What else mechanical has energy? Think about it. Let's move up to this note paper right here. If you could print out this worksheet, it's in Google Classroom, and you can write on the worksheet, that would be awesome. But if you can't print it out, I want you to brainstorm in your science notebook. So make a table just like this in your science notebook. Brainstorm here, take a picture of it, and turn it in on Google Classroom. Okay, now go brainstorm energy.